At SANOVO, we understand that egg packing extends far beyond just placing eggs into trays. That is why we created the Farmpacker line. This is all about creating a seamless, efficient workflow from the hen house to egg tray palletizing. At the core of this specific organic egg farm lies the SANOVO Farmpacker 40 and the SX40 Tray Stacker, designed to meet the needs of modern farms with precision and reliability. Engineered for farm operations, the Farmpacker 40 represents a perfect balance of speed, delicacy, and efficiency, packing up to 14,400 eggs per hour with unparalleled care. With our diverse Farmpacker lines, including the 40, 100, and 200 models, we cater to farms of all sizes, ensuring that no matter your operation scale, there's a SANOVO solution ready to enhance your efficiency. Each Farmpacker, designed with simplicity in mind, utilizes gravity to minimize moving parts. This approach reduces maintenance and maximizes uptime, all while adhering to the highest material sourcing standards. The Farmpacker is simple to use and quick to master, exactly like it should be. The denester automatically feeds single trays to the packing position. It has a missing tray detector, and a tray buffer is optional for extra tray capacity. The Farmpackers are designed with your farm environment in mind. Simple, robust, reliable, and flexible. Maximum uptime, 100% correct egg packing, easy to maintain. That's the core principles. The Farmpacker ensures minimum transfer height, no rough movements, and no need to drop in a cup before going into the tray. The SX40 Tray Stacker works in perfect synergy with the Farmpacker 40, completing the packing process by precisely stacking trays. This integration not only limits human interaction, but also enhances operational flow. The Farmpacker line extends well beyond the Farmpacker 40 and SX40 featured in this video. Our lineup includes tray buffering systems, automatic palletizing solutions, multiple Farmpacker capacities, and various tray stacking options, all designed to meet your specific needs and enhance the automation of your farm's operations. At SANOVO, we know that successful egg farming requires more than just efficient farm packing. It's about having a partner that provides comprehensive, scalable solutions tailored to your farm's unique challenges and opportunities. Explore the full spectrum of SANOVO's egg handling solutions. Visit our website or contact us today to discover how we can support the growth and efficiency of your operation every step of the way.